Hi everyone, hi, welcome back. So, I just made a painting. I wasn't feeling it. So, before it was starting to dry, I already decided to paint the background this blue color. So, I just scraped everything together and created this color. So, here we do see some of what I tried to create. I think that's totally fine. But this is not really a color that I truly enjoy, so I was thinking of adding some white to this. See how that looks. Grayish blue. Honestly, I've never started a painting with a similar color on the background. So that's gonna be interesting, won't it? Well, there's definitely nothing wrong with this color. Right, so, and now, then must say I kinda like it. Let's put this brush away. Alright, let's start working with some white here. I want to use some other colors. Let's keep it at Prussian blue for now. Everything is Prussian blue except the background that's a little bit blended Prussian blue, but Prussian blue is more a grayish blue. Just here. And where to start? That's fine, those drops. You know, it's like wintry painting. Winter painting. It's a very simple color palette, isn't it? It's just one color. Just oh, it's a different color. Uh-oh. Just Prussian blue. Only Prussian blue so far. And white. But white is a shade. Oh, that might be too much. Okay, so now we definitely need to start working there a bit. Because I don't like this. These drops I was fine with. You know, there's not a lot of contrast. It's not super interesting, but I'm liking this. Okay, so and now I'm so happy I fixed that part with the trips. Now we're having some cool stuff over here. You know, I might just go super minimal today. I'm just super glad that I was able to create something out of an epic film. I'm back. It's half hour later, maybe not even. And I made a picture of this. I was looking at it and this part is bothering me. I love the simplicity of it. I think that's super nice. But this is too dark. If there was a light source coming from here, I think I would love this painting. So let's do that. I don't know if this is gonna work. So it's a risk, but I like risks. Start with some white here. Now the darkness is gone, that's for sure. I wish I had white spray paint. I don't. But I do have a Venetian rose spray paint. And I'm quite happy I didn't have the white spray paint because I believe this color suits this palette a lot more. I'm bringing in some light sources, some soft layering of the spray paint, and it definitely gives some dimension and it just elevates this painting. Just bringing in a little bit of that light source. Yeah, okay, for now that's enough. I can always add more spray paint if I want to. I'll be back. Here we go. Here she is. I can't believe I love how simple this is. It's just perfect. And the light source is coming from here. It's a Venetian rose. I think that was the perfect touch. But I did notice something. So look at the painting now. You see the bottom frame, it's warped, so it's not completely square. So what I will do is I will restretch it on a different frame, which is not warped. And that's why I did not paint the sides just yet, because if I would, then probably the restretching would be very difficult. And now it probably won't. So, but I'm wondering, what color sides would you pick? So I was thinking either this dark Prussian blue, or that Venetian rose, or just this light Prussian blue color. So let me know in the comments. And of course, I would love to hear what you think of this painting. It's different. It is different. It's all focused on just one big fluid flower here. Oh, wait, before I forget, I just launched Acrylic prints, some beautiful life-size prints on my website. out of 5 of my favorite artworks. I would love for you to check it out. All right, that was it for today. See you next week.